Okay, spark plug's still in. Look at that. 3 fingers.
That was my nickname in college.
So tall. But at the same time, so soft. This is my first time actually on a Zoysia lawn since high school when we let it grow to like way too tall. And then I had to mow it once every 4 weeks because we didn't proper practice cultural practices. Look at that, almost 4 inches. Ah. It's like 4 inches too tall.
Is it going?
Yeah, or wait,
it gave us the tool marks. Yeah, see? GoPros. So have you ever, Mike, have you ever used a rotary? You've used a rotary mower.
I've used a rotary mower.
Have you ever used a Toro with personal pace?
Never used a Toro personal pace.
Okay, good. So this is gonna be a good experience for you. Now this is super recycler. So it's, to me, this is my all-time favorite mower right here.
Yeah.
This model. So I'm looking forward to hearing you. Now the 3.25 we're going to. I was up at 8 inches. I've taken it down over the last 10 days or so. So we're at 3.25. You're gonna see scalping in here, so don't worry about it. It's gonna happen. All right.
So
crank her up. Now it doesn't have blade stop, so you have to hold the handle when you see it.
You know they make clamps you can clip on there and then
control
everything and it drives
safety
itself.
salad.
Okay.
We're already wearing flip-flops. Toro's lawyers are gonna have major issues.
Zoysia.
Dude, are you going barefoot, bro?
Yeah.
Man, nice flip-flop tan. You'd think you were a native.
I know. Got RGS stains on the toenails too. Okay, is there a choke?
No, man, just pull her and go. There you go.
Look at this. So weird. That's weird. Yeah, you know, it's
very different.
I don't want to say I have to think, because I'm not, but it's
I just want to say to Toro's lawyers, I love to challenge you by wearing flip-flops when I mow, but I would never mow barefoot. Never. At least y'all know it's not sponsored, right? don't see a lot of good-looking naked people at night.
Is that what it's actually called?
No, he's not supposed to be doing that here.